Hello children, how are you? I hope you're good. You're enjoying your holiday, right? I'm also fine. Okay, today we're going to our next lesson about tally marks or tally chart. So, let's remind ourselves what are tally marks. What are these? Straight lines like a stick. These are tally marks. This is a tally mark. This is a tally mark. And this is our tally chart. That's why today we are going to learn about tally chart. So a tally chart, in it there is tally marks. That is why it's called a tally chart. Are we together? Good. Now you will have this work written, my tally chart activity. So once we are done learning how to draw a tally chart, you'll use this chart, this worksheet over here, so that you can draw your own tally chart, and you will fill in these spaces. Like here, the first space here, it's written items. You collect your own items at home, if it's shoes, clothes, anything, pencils, books. Let's say 5 pencils, 5 shoes or books. Then you write the name of the items that you've collected, and you'll mark, once you count your items, you'll mark here on the space that's written tally. You'll show your tallies, okay, and write the total number of tallies that you have got, just like how I've done here in my own tally chart. So you see the heading, it's written this. This tally chart shows items collected by Brenda. So this is my tally chart, and I'll need you to draw your own tally chart. So here we go. Can you read here? Tally marks. And I will show you the things that I have collected. I tell you to collect pencils, spoons, cups. Around the class, in the kitchen, I went and collected things, rulers, sharpener, okay, books. So you can collect your things that you wish. And remember to do this work, you fill in here, okay? Good. Now, what are tally marks? Tally marks shows the amount of things. And tally marks helps us to count things in groups of 5. In our previous lesson, I showed you how to count in tally marks, how to draw the tally marks and count in groups of 5, remember. So when you reach the 5th tally, you will cross. Remember to cross, like here. So you draw 1. If you have 5 things, you draw the first tally like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the 5th tally, you will cross, you will cut. So here it represents our things in group of 5. Are we together? Good. But if it's 4, you will not cross. If it's 3, you will not cross. 2, 1, you won't cross. But the 5th tally, you cross. So tally marks helps us to count things in groups of 5. Do you remember counting in 5s? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So tally marks helps us to count things in groups of 5s. Good. Now, let's go and count our things and fill our tally chart. Okay. Are you ready? I'll show you how to count. Okay, children, as I have said, Today we are learning about tally chart. Okay, so this is our tally chart. It shows items, meaning the things that we had collected. Tally. Okay, the row over here it shows tally. So here is where we're going to write our tallies. And the last row it shows the total number of things collected. Now, these are the things that I have collected. I have the sharpeners over here, books. Now we're going to count together. We'll draw our tally marks on the side here, okay, that I have named the item. The first item here is sharpener. So I have my sharpeners with me here that I had collected. Now we are going to count. How many sharpeners are these? 1, 2. So I have 2 sharpeners. Now we are going to draw the tally marks. So how many sticks will I draw here? The tally marks? 1, 2. Only 2 tallies because I have 2 sharpeners. Sharpener, 2 sharpeners. The total number of our tallies here is 2. I've written here 2 because I have 2 sharpeners. Good. I'll keep, since I'm done counting, I'll put them aside. Okay, our next item is cup. I have collected my cups here with me. I have them. Can we count the cups? How many cups do we have? 1, 2, 3. 3 cups. Good. How many tally sticks will I draw? Good. 3. 3 tallies, meaning 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. The total number I'll write here is 3. Are we together? Our row over here it shows cups. That's why I've drawn tallies here on the row that shows cups. Good. Our next item is ruler. We have rulers, so I'll put my cups aside. I'm done. I have rulers over here. How many rulers do I have? Let's count together. Let's start. Count after me. 4 rulers. I have 4 rulers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many tallies are we going to draw here? 4. 4 rulers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will not cross because we don't have 5. It's 4. Once we get an item that has 5 things, that's when we will cross. So here I have 4 rulers. Good. Remember to write the total number over here. 4. I put my rulers aside. Okay, I have pencils. Yay, I have pencils over here. Now let's count our pencils that Miss Brenda has collected. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 pencil colors. 7. Now let's draw our tally marks. 7. Remember we have 7. 7 pencils. We are going to draw 7 tally marks. Are we together? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. I have crossed the 5th tally mark. 5, 6, 7. You see here we have one group of 5. That means one group of 5 is 5. It has 5 things because it's one group. Add 2 things, 2. So 5 and 2 we get 7. We have 7 pencils. The total number is 7. Good. I crossed the 5th tally because that is the tally road that you have to cross the 5th tally. So I'm putting my pencils aside. Oh, our next item is spoon. We have spoons over here. Now we're going again to count our spoons. You're going to count. It's your turn now. Can you count the spoons? Let's start. How many spoons do we have? 5. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. You got 5 spoons. How are we going to draw our tally mark? On the row over here that shows spoons. How many tally marks? Good. 5. 5 tally marks. Let's draw together. 1, 2, 3, 4. What will I do with the 5th one? Cross. 5 spoons. 5. We have one group of tally. In the beginning I said tally marks helps us to count things in groups of 5. Now we've got 5 spoons. The total number here is 5. Well done. I'll keep my spoons aside again so that you won't get mixed. Books. Our last item is book. Okay, so I have my books here with me. We'll count the books. Let's start counting. How many books do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. We have how many books? 9. Miss Brenda collected 9 books. Can you draw 9 tallies? 9 tallies. So one group of 5 add 4. You get how many? 9. Let's draw a tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and then 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tallies over here. So we have 9 books. The total number right here is 9. Good. Now our tally chart, as I previously said that it's called a tally chart since it has tallies. Tally mark helps us to count things in groups of 5. Now here our tally chart, we are done drawing it and filling it in with tallies and the total number. So I would like to see your tally chart. Make sure you do your work. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.